I had some plans for the 465. I was going to get it all restored and put a bit of time into the bike this summer. But I got sidetracked, you know, e-revo and life in general. But I really actually don't even want to ride the bike until I have that engine all tore down and have a look at it, because it's kind of making a racket. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. First I'm going to show you this 500. I'm going to shift it up a couple and then listen to the sound of the engine just by rocking it back and forth. There's no real audible clicks or clangs or bangs or whatever. I'm going to show you the 465. I tell you, this is some classic iron right here. Okay, let's give it a few gears and I'll show you what this thing sounds like. You hear that clanking in there? So I ran this bike a little bit last winter, and just before I did, I popped on this new IRC M5B tire, and pretty good tread on this thing. It should throw some good sod if I ever get it out on the grass. And this brake stay is bent up a bit, probably from rocks or whatever. But luckily, this bottom frame rails here, they're in really nice shape, because sometimes these get bashed in from rocks and whatnot all. So they're really nice. And also the subframe in the back will sometimes get bent up. Guys will be on the throttle and then the bike loops over. They'll, you know, bend the fender and then the subframe will bend up. So, and that looks really nice too. So overall the bike is a pretty nice foundation for a nice restoration. And this is an original Yamaha side panel, and it's got this little divider brace here on the plastic. And so far I haven't found an aftermarket one that has this little piece in there. So we'll see what I find yet. Maybe I will restore like an old one, or I'm not sure yet what I'll do. So old bike, and I don't know any of the repair history on the engine. So with that noise in there, I really would like to tear it down first before I actually ride it, because, you know, to me it kind of sounds like it could come apart. You know, if that happens, well, I could take out the cases, and you know, that makes for a pretty lengthy, costly repair. So it's a really nice piece of classic bike here. I really didn't want to wreck it, you know.